Welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial Basic to Advanced. This is a series of tutorial. This tutorial series have 50 parts. This tutorial designed for them who are very new in MS Excel and want to be expert in MS Excel. Step by step, I will describe you many features of MS Excel. After completing the 50 tutorials, you will be expert in MS Excel. Let's start our session. Today, I am presenting you Microsoft Excel Part 1, Introduction of MS Excel. Today's topic part is here. Today I will describe you these listed topics: Introduction of Excel, Quick Access Tool, Menu, Tab, Ribbon, Formula Bar, Column, Row, Cell, Status Bar, Sheet, Page View, Zoom Control, how to write in Excel. Let's start the first part of Excel Basic to Advanced. Open Microsoft Excel program from Start menu. I have already opened this program. You may start from here. When you start the program, here is few templates. We will start with blank workbook. One thing I want to share with you, this overall look depends on different version of Microsoft Excel. According to version, the feature and the outlook is different from one version to another. Today's first topics is Introduction of Excel. Microsoft Excel is a software program developed by Microsoft Corporation. This software is part of the Microsoft Office suite. Microsoft Excel is a very powerful spreadsheet. Microsoft first developed this program in 1993. Afterward, they released many updated versions of this program. MS Excel allows user to organize, format, and calculate data with formulas using a spreadsheet system. There are many powerful tools in this program to make your data related work easy and comfortable. Now I will describe one by one this page. Look at the top of this screen. Here is Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Add-ins. These all are tabs and also called as menu. If click one menu, a ribbon come up. This is the information ribbon, and there are many tools icon here. One by one, we will learn all these things. Here is a toolbar. This is Quick Access Toolbar. We can customize this Quick Access Toolbar according to our need. We are working on Microsoft Excel 2013 version. When you open a new Excel sheet, system will show a default sheet. This is a sheet, a large sheet. There are many columns and many rows here. This is called column, and every column identified by a name. This is the name of this column A. This is the name of this column B, C, D, E, F. Like this, there are many columns here. If I go right side, I am using right arrow from keyboard. Look here, there are many columns. These all are columns, and these all are rows. There are many rows here. If I go down, I am using down arrow from keyboard. Look here, there are many thousands of rows here. So we have learned that these are columns and these are rows. And look here, here is a small field. This small field called cell. So there are many cells here. This is a cell, this is a cell, also these all are cell. As like as columns and rows, each cell have name or identification. If we click here, this cell have a name or identification, and cell name depends on column name and row number. This column name is A and row number is 1. So the combination of these two, column and row, is A1. So this cell name is A1, and you will see the cell name here, A1. If we go down, this is A2. Look here, A is column name, 2 is row name. If we come here, A3, look here, column name is A, cell name is 3. If we go here, column name is B, cell name is, row name is 1. So cell name is B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, like this. This information will help you very much later on. We will describe one by one all the things. Here is a bar. This bar is called as formula bar. This bar is very important. We will see the activities of this bar. Look here, here is sheet 1. Sheet is a big spreadsheet. If you want to create more sheet here, you can click here. Click the plus. System will give you a new sheet. Look here. New sheet come here. And the name of the sheet is sheet 2. This is sheet 1. This is sheet 2. This is sheet 1. This is sheet 2. If you want to create more sheet, click here. System will provide another sheet, sheet 3. You can add many sheets in an Excel file according to your need. So we have completed our first point, introduction of Excel, quick access tool, menu, tab or ribbon, formula bar, column, row, cell. Now we will see the status bar. This bar is called as status bar. Different type of status will come here when we work. And these are the page view. This is a view. If you click here, system will show another type of view. If we click here, system will show another type of view. According to your necessity, you can change the view. This view is very comfortable to work. And here is another line controlled for zooming. If we want to see this sheet as larger, so click on plus, the sheet will zoom in. If click minus, the sheet is down, and here is showing the percentage of view. So we have learned some things. Now I am reviewing these things. This is quick access bar. This is tab or menu. This is ribbon. This is column. This is row. This is cell. This is sheet name, and 3 sheet is here. This is formula bar. This is status bar. This is view control. This is zooming. So let's see the list. Now we have completed status bar, sheet, page view, zoom control. Now we will work with how to write in Excel. To write in Excel, you have to put your cursor in a cell. Now this cell is selected. This cell name is E3. Look here, E3. If I want to write down something here, now I am writing here. Look here, I have write here, he is a good boy. But this field is not sufficient to capture these things. So what can we do? We can enlarge the column size. Look here, when I put the cursor, mouse pointer here, it's look another shape. Look here, in this field the shape is plus, and in this shape look different shape. Press your left button, mouse left button, and enlarge it. Look here, this column is bigger than default one. This is default size, but according to our need, we can enlarge the column length and width. And there is also another way to enlarge the column size. Copy this and paste here. Look, here is the small area. Okay, so click here, double click. Okay, so there are many ways to do a job in Excel. First, we will try to easy way. If you want to delete something of this text, place your mouse pointer here. If we want to delete some text from this cell, place the mouse pointer cursor here and use the backspace key of your keyboard. For one press, one letter will delete. If we want to undo the text, we use undo and redo here. Click here, undo, all the deleted text will back. If you delete from here, place the mouse pointer here and use backspace key from your keyboard. If you want to undo, click here, undo. Your text will back here. If you want to write down number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can write here. If you want to addition or something different type of calculation, you can do it here. 10, 20. We want to addition this. Click here, auto sum. System will automatically sum the two number. The formula is showing here. Click enter. The result is 30. If you write down here 20, press enter, the result is 40. Automatically updated according to formula. If you write down here 100, now answer is 120. And there are many features in Excel. If you want to write serial number 1, 2, 3, suppose you want to write down more serial like this, you can select to number serial by serial and you look here. Here is a symbol. When you put your mouse pointer on this, the mouse pointer symbol changed. When changed like this plus, press your mouse left button and drag down. Look here, automatically serial come here. If you want to color this text as red, click here. This is font color. If you want to change another color, select here and click here. If you want to make bold, click here. If you want to put a underline for this text, click here. If you want to make this text italic, click here. If you want to fill the field with color, click here, yellow. If you want to change another color, click here, blue. So there are many colors. You can change this easily. We will learn all these things step by step according to our plan, and at that time you will learn more details about all these controls. There are some tabs or menu here. We will learn all these things, and if you continue this learning session, you will be expert in Excel from beginner. So thank you today for this session.